afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2012 Audi Q5 Quattro. This is the Premium Plus package, and this is finished in a Utopia blue metallic. It's equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Walk you around here, show you any imperfections that I see during the walk around, and give you a glance at the interior. So we'll start up here at the driver front wheel. Pretty good shape. Some light scuffs here and there, a little bit of tire shine residue. Back here to the driver rear, a little bit of the same, a few little scuffs here and there, and of course a little bit of tire shine residue. Just came out of detail. Notice on the back bumper near the cargo area, there are some scuffs. And a few little gouges here. There's a big one. Most likely just from pulling things in and out. And back here to the passenger rear wheel. Pretty good shape. There's, again, a little ring there of curb rash. And last but not least, up here at the passenger front wheel, this one may be the best of all. Really not a lot of damage at all. Just a few little chips here and there, but no deep gouges, no curb rash. The interior, we have a pistachio beige leather, and the wood inlays. This has the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Audi all-weather floor mats. Nice big panoramic sunroof. And we do have a set of roof racks in the back for this car. Memory settings for the driver's seat, power adjustable with lumbar support. Audi MMI navigation is standard. We have the 3-stage heated front seats and the dual zone climate control. Multifunction steering wheel. And current odometer 79761. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.